Welcome, Eddie Collins here for White Rose Crafts. Today we're having an unboxing video. Today we'll be unboxing the Seriously Caffeinated Coffee Fueled Themed Kit. This is a card and crafting kit, and this is jam-packed with lots of coffee funness. Is that a word? Funness? Well, it is today. Alright, so let me take all the contents out, set aside all the paper and embellishments, so we can start with a large 12 by 12 sticker sheet. This is by Echo Park. It's called Coffee with Friends, and this has a variety of icons like that fun truck you see there. You get plenty of little sentiments and banners with sentiments on them, decorative banners. You have some florals, a variety of coffee cups, to-go cups, and regular mugs in different sizes. Then you even get a little cake platter here, so you can add whatever little things you'd like to add to that. Just cute little icons. And then you have a plain one here that you can actually layer or stamp your own sentiment, and a nice border strip. These are perfect for your cards and for coffee themed layouts. Next, we're going to have the Echo Park themed Coffee with Friends. You're going to get 12 of these. These are 6 by 6 papers. They're double-sided. And the first one has the same icons you see on the sticker sheet, or similar. And then in the back is a tone-on-tone green little pattern. Here you have some cut-aparts. There's that cute truck. Again, an open one there for stamping. There's that word coffee done up with the leaves. And here's a leaf. It's white with the green leaves on there. This one reminds me of the message board or chalkboard you see in lots of coffee shops with today's special. And the back has a wood slat looking pattern. This is a white with pink florals with a tone-on-tone gray chevron design. Some more cut-aparts. These are a bit smaller and have different orientations, both vertical and horizontal. Again, similar to the sticker, that little stamping section one. And this one has a brick wall design on the back, a white brick wall. There's all the coffee display signs. They look like chalkboards. And then this is a white background with pink florals, or peachy. It's like a peachy pink. Some more cut-aparts. These are a bit bigger, so they'll fit your card nicely. With a tone-on-tone green stripe, and it's like a sagey green. This one is an all-over mug pattern with a stripe background, and it looks like fabric texture. It reminds me of the seersucker fabric that you find a lot during the summer. Alright, so then there's more cut-aparts. You have this cute little girl in the center there. You have some florals and some bigger ones here that, you know, have coffee themed. This is a black and white check. So here we have the to-go cups throughout with a tone-on-tone scripty thing. It says like coffee and things like that. And this is like a tone-on-tone pink or peachy color. You have the sagey green background with the white florals. Very pretty. With a black and white plaid design on the back. More cut-aparts. These are a bit smaller, so these would be great for layering if you would like on a card or on a layout. Again, you have an open space one, so you can stamp in it or just tuck more things. Perfect for tucking into your design. And then you have that pink check in the background. Alright, so now we're going to move on to the assorted package of blank cards. These come in textured, pearl finish, and plain with their coordinating envelopes. These are from a variety of companies such as Nina, American Crafts, and Kaiser Craft, and you get a nice assortment of sizes. So this little one here is perfect for those tiny little cut aparts. And you have this nice textured mocha colored one. This one is actually textured, it's really nice. And of course you get the envelope, and this is an A2 size, another A2 size, and this is like a pearlescent creamy one, very pretty. And you have bigger size here, and it's like, I believe, 5x7. This one's also textured, and it's like that pink that coordinates beautifully with the papers, with its coordinating envelope. And this metallic-y black, so nice, and matching envelope. And if you don't like a 5x7 size, you can always trim them down. And this is a white card base, also like a pearly finish, same thing, 5x7. So you have 3 of those, a couple of, so you get a nice assortment of sizes of cards to start your cards with. Here, these are card blanks. Alright, so let's move on to the ink. This is by Kaiser Craft. It's called Gum Leaf, and it's the same sagey color as the paper, which is really pretty. So it's going to coordinate nicely. We're going to move on to our stamp, and this is a clear cling stamp by Picket Fence Studios. It's called Sponsored by Coffee. You have the to-go cups and some wonderful sentiments. Also by Picket Fence Studios, you get a stencil. It's called Coffee Cup. It's cute. It has the steam swirled and a heart done in the cream area. Really cute. You can use that with some texture paste. Would be nice on a card. From Creative Embellishment, this is a laser cut chipboard that says coffee because adulting is hard. So true, friends. So true. Next we have some rhinestone embellishments. This is by Kaiser Crafts, and these are green little florals. And some washi tape, and this is by Paper Mania, and it's called Geometric Mocha, and it has nice little metallic touches to it. We also have an assortment of ephemera and tags from Echo Park's Coffee and Friends. I'm just going to take them out of this little baggie here. And you have such cute little icons here. You have plain ones you can stamp on. Some you can just add to your card fronts or create little clusters on your layouts or other projects. Here's a cute little tag. I like this. You have some smaller ones and bigger ones. Just put them all in there. This one is nice because it has the chalkboard on the top, and then the bottom you can just create your cluster. This is a frame. You just gently pull this apart. Be great for a shaker card. Well, that is the complete kit. I will be doing 10 cards, 1 kit soon, so keep your eye out for that video. Thank you so much for being here. Don't forget that White Rose Crafts carries a variety of kits and all card crafting and craft supplies. Thank you so much again for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I hope you found some happy coffeeness today.